Top 6 Best Robot Vacuums. However, when it's time to choose the right robot vacuums, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best robot vacuums on the market today, so if you're interested in what robot vacuums will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL R101AE.
The Shark AI Robot XL can create a detailed, complete map on its very first run. So in no time, you'll get a map of your home that shows up on your Shark Clean app homepage. This is how you can control cleaning schedules, select specific rooms to clean or avoid, and you can even tell your Shark AI robot about a really difficult mess and send it to ultra clean that area. The faster the mapping is complete, the faster your setup is finished, and the faster you're ready to clean.
Number 2. A vac with a mop and camera. Ecovacs D-Bot T8 AIVI. Number 3. Budget Pick. Eufy RoboVac 11S. Number 4. WYZE Robot Vacuum. Number 5. iLife A9 Robot Vacuum. Number 6. Bissell Spinwave Wet. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.